Good morning everyone. I am Shivarika from class 4K. Hello everyone. My name is Varun. I am studying class 4K. Today I am from class 4K. Today I become a Harry. Thank you. Class 4K. I am the main. I will have human beings and animals. I have 8 groups. A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, O positive, O negative, AB positive,